Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So today was my SBI PO prelims examination. Today is 27th of November and my exam was in the second shift. Okay. So in this video I am going to tell you about the level of the paper and then I am going to tell you about my attempts also. And if your exam was today, then please try to write your attempts in the comment section so that we can analyze the average number of attempts. So first of all, I will start with English. Okay. So in English, first of all, I will discuss about the level of questions. Okay. So English was like easy. It was not that much difficult. It was easy to moderate level in English. And in English, one question in RC I found like somewhat confused. There was an RC given on like why there is discrimination with women like in different types of sectors, like some seat belts, like the products are manufactured according to the needs of men and not women. So the RC was based on this topic, and there was one question in which I was confused. Okay, but then I marked it, but I do not know if it is right or wrong. So in English I have attempted 30 questions and the level of English was good. Okay, there was error detection. No, there was no error detection questions. There were fillers, and then there were connecting sentences also, and then there was some bold word was given and we had to replace the word with the correct word. Okay, and there was no parajumble in this shift, and the RC had around 10 questions plus the vocab given in the RC was also, I think, easy. So the overall level of English was easy to moderate. Okay, then comes Quant. So in Quant, quadratic equation, 5 questions of quadratic equation were there. So first I solved those 5 questions of quadratic equation. After that, there were number series, 5 number series, and they were wrong number series. So the level of 5 number series, I found like the number series were quite tricky. Okay, and today there was no simplification, only quadratic number series and quadratic equation and wrong number series were there. Okay, then there were two DIs. One DI had, I think, 5 to 6 questions and one DI had 5 questions. Okay, so the first DI was based on the LED TVs and like it was somewhat tricky. I did not solve it. Okay, and then the other DI was based on some product, like it was something like that, and there was a pie chart in which the total was 200, and after that there was A B C D E. So we had to divide the 200 in these parts, and after that there was some plus 50 minus 50. So in D there was only plus 50, otherwise in other questions where there was minus 50. Okay, so like we had to collect the data and then we had to mark the answers. Okay, so that DI was easy, but the other one, the LED TV DI, was somewhat like not, it was not that much easy. The data was tricky, so I did not touch the LED TV DI, and like it was time consuming. It was very much time consuming, and like I think it was a trick to consume your time, so I did not attempt that DI. I will tell you the series. So first of all, attempted the quadratic equations. Okay, after that I attempted number series, and out of number series I think I attempted only two number series, and after that I moved to arithmetic. Okay, I did not solve the DI first, I moved to arithmetic. Yesterday I saw Harshal sir's video, and in his video he told that first you have to solve the one liners, and after that move to arithmetic, and then you have in last you have to solve the DIs. Okay, so this is the thing which I did today. First I solved the one liners, then I solved arithmetic questions, and then I moved to DI, and I solved that one production based DI. Okay, and after that I solved 1 to 2 more questions of arithmetic. So total I have attempted 21 questions of arithmetic. Okay, then in reasoning, like the reasoning part was moderate, it was not that much difficult. So in reasoning, first I started with one puzzle and I attempted the puzzle. After that, like, I did not attempt the one liner first in puzzle, I just went with the flow. First question was, there was some word based question, then there was a puzzle, so I attempted that for the puzzle. After that there was some silo questions were also there, inequality questions were there, so I attempted that one direction question of three, one direction question, and there were some three questions based on direction sense. Okay, so I attempted that question also, and there was one puzzle in which uncertain people were there. Okay, and then there was one puzzle in which 6 people were sitting around a circular table, and it was double variable puzzle. Okay, and then there was one puzzle in which a floor based puzzle were there. So I attempted the floor based puzzle, and I attempted the 6 persons puzzle. Okay, which was double variable, but I did not attempt the uncertain number of people puzzles. And then there was some blood relation, I could not solve the blood relation, so I just skipped it because I did not wanted to waste my time, so I skipped that. And in reasoning I have attempted 26 questions. So total my attempts are 77 in SBI PO prelims examination, and the shift was moderate. Okay, plus the other thing is that the thing which has helped me a lot is that I did not look at the timer once while attempting the paper. What used to happen in the mock test is that I used to see at the timer again and again. Okay, and it used to hamper my performance. But today I did not look at the timer once, I just went with the flow, I just attempted the easy questions, and I did not worry about the timer. Like, whenever I see the timer now, I feel uncomfortable, and there was some type of anxiety goes on in my mind, so I completely avoided the timer and I just focused on the examination. So that is my attempt, and try to write your attempts in the comment section. And that is all for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.